Hey there, design enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of Photoshop to show you how to perfectly place printables on cans. Let's get started. Open Photoshop and create a new project. Import your can image and place it as the first layer. Import your printable design and position it as the second layer above the can. Copy the can layer using Ctrl+J. With the copied can layer selected, use the selection tool to outline the can. Copy the selection by pressing Ctrl+J. Go to the printable layer, right-click, and choose Create Clipping Mask. Select Linear Burn from the blending options. Right-click on the can layer, choose Blending Options, hold Alt and adjust the underlying layer slider to 197. Click OK. Select the subject layer, copied can layer, and hold Alt while placing it at the top of the layers. Create a clipping mask for this layer. Change the blending mode to Multiply. Adjust the layer opacity to 25%. Select the subject layer again and this time choose Adjustment and then Vibrance. Increase Vibrance to 100 and Saturation to +20. Make sure to create a clipping mask for this adjustment layer. Admire your work. You've successfully placed a printable on a can in Photoshop. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to create stunning can designs in Photoshop. Experiment with different printables, blending modes, and adjustments to unleash your creativity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design tips. Until next time, happy designing!